We found the best talent for the open position. The recruiter has presented the candidate an offer, and the candidate has accepted the offer letter. This is a very exciting time for the hiring manager and new Stanford healthcare team member. But what happens next? All of us, from vice presidents, directors, managers, supervisors, physicians, and human resources, are responsible for providing world-class standard work for onboarding our new hires and transfers for success. Onboarding begins with the recruitment and selection phase. Now it is time to invest in our talent to retain them and help them grow. Stanford Healthcare's world-class onboarding standard work sets our newest team members on a path for success. What is onboarding? Onboarding is the process of acclimating and welcoming new employees to Stanford Healthcare and providing them tools, resources, and knowledge to become successful and productive. New employee orientation prepares our new hires for their first day of work. But onboarding is a long-term investment that helps new employees adjust to social and performance aspects of their jobs quickly and smoothly. Why onboarding for success? Now, we know that onboarding is a long-term investment in our employees. It helps them adjust to their new position as a team member at Stanford Healthcare. But why is it so important to their success? When you provide a good initial experience with onboarding, you have laid a strong foundation to build loyalty, inspire innovation, and encourage high performance, leading to delivery of unparalleled patient care. These first weeks are the best way to set a cultural tone and place high value on assimilation with new team and productivity and sustainability in the organization. Also, proper onboarding will protect our recruiting investment and leads to higher retention rates. But most importantly, if we onboard our employees for success, they will feel like a welcomed new member of our team right away and know early on that they made the right choice coming to Stanford Healthcare. How to onboard for success? If great onboarding standard work can do all of that, they are obviously hugely important. But how do we onboard our new team members for success? Standard work for onboarding begins before the new hire or transfer starts. 1 week prior to your new hire start date, call each new employee to welcome them and answer any questions they may have. Also send an email announcement that introduces the new employee to the department before they even start. Before their first day, we should have already made sure that they have a nice place to work. We should secure a work area for them, clear it of any clutter, and make sure they have all of the equipment and office supplies they will need to start. We should also set up their system applications and system identifier so they can log into all of the internal systems they need to do their work. Also, make sure that you develop a training plan and schedule stakeholder meetings. Lastly, before the employee's first day, assign them a buddy or preceptor who will be there for them and answer any day-to-day questions. We have taken all of these steps to set up our new team member for success before they have even started. But what can we do on the most important day for any new hire, the first day in the department? On the team member's first day in the department or unit, make sure you introduce them in the huddle. Give them a tour of the facilities and introduce your new hire to other staff members. Take the employee out to lunch. This will help them get assimilated to the area and give them a break from the most common issue on the first day: information overload. Remember, there is always a huge amount of information a new employee will need, but you don't have to share it all on the first day. Work some of this information into the first week to first 30-day training plan. It is important to go over the new team member schedule and activities with them on the first day. Review their new hire checklist for the immediate 3-day department orientation. Answer any questions they have about scheduling or orientation requirements. Review their job description with them and establish some basic performance expectations. Share our mission, vision, and values with the new employee. This helps ensure they are on the right page and nothing important for their first 30 days has been missed or overlooked. Now that we have helped the employee get acquainted on their first day and focused on making sure that they are comfortable, we can work on the training plan for the first 30 days. Ensure the new team member completes the online onboarding Tour 2 new hire checklist. They will need to complete the checklist and you will need to sign off on it within their first 30 days. Make sure that the employee has time built into their schedule for the first 30 days to complete the health stream modules. During the first 30 days, sit with the employee and ask how they prefer to be recognized and receive feedback. Make sure you celebrate the completion of their first 30 days. You can do this with a thank you note, a gift card, a lunch date, or recognition in the morning huddle. Remember, onboarding is an ongoing investment in our talent, so it doesn't stop there. After the first 30 days, make sure that you complete a list of important dates. These would include milestones, birthdays, and anniversaries. Make it a point to use the recognition toolkit prior to your monthly staff meetings and set a 60, 90, 120-day training plan for your new hire. Our goal at Stanford Healthcare is to find the best talent the first time, every time. World-class onboarding standard work helps retain this talent and make sure that they meet their optimal level of success and productivity. It's up to all of us to provide a world-class standardized onboarding process for our new employees. Our actions will help Stanford Healthcare move towards our vision of healing humanity through science and compassion, one patient at a time.